everybody, today I am here and I am doing a super easy style again for girls with bangs. And this is actually when your bangs start to grow out, as mine clearly have. Today I am doing a sort of sexy 60s bouffant with bangs. There's a few different ways that you can wear your bangs in this style, but it is really easy and should not take you more than 10 minutes, which I know you girls love, so let's do this. Okay, so to start with, we are going to brush out this mess of hair. This is actually a really good style to do on dirty hair because dirty hair equals volume, and volume is what we want. So I'm going to deal with my bangs later. I'm going to do the rest of my hair first, and the first thing I'm going to do is curl my hair. So I am using a inch curling iron, and I'm just curling my hair in really big sections. The bigger, the better, because you don't want really, really tight curls. I am gonna pin them so that they stay, and so I'm just gonna curl my hair the normal way, not the vintage way where I start at the top, because I really kind of just want the ends to be curly. So if you start curling at the top of your hair, you're gonna set the curl into the hair, and that's when you're gonna get those really sort of 50s style curls. So then I'm just gonna roll up and pin. And I'm gonna do this basically just around the whole back of my head. Okay, so once those are nice and cool, I'm gonna take out these pins, and then I'm just gonna run my fingers through these just to loosen them a little. And now we're gonna start to tease. So today I'm actually gonna use What a Tease Back Comb in a Bottle. This is a product by Sexy Hair. This is gonna help you tease without damaging super much, because we are doing a lot of teasing. So everything behind my bangs is gonna get teased. And I'm just gonna tease in small sections and pull my hair forward as I'm working. Okay, so once it looks a little something like this, we're gonna pull back each section piece by piece. And as I pull the section down, I'm gonna separate it. And this is gonna keep it from looking clumpy. And this is also gonna give it that nice round shape. So now I'm gonna take my smoothing brush and I'm just gonna smooth the top layer of all of this. Smooth it as best as you can. It's actually more important to keep volume than it is to be smooth. So if you can't smooth it without just destroying that volume, then just do the best that you can. Okay, so now I'm gonna give this all a little spray. My hair is actually really staticky right now, so I'm actually using a little bit of this spray just to cut down on some of that static. So now I'm gonna take the side of this and I'm gonna pull it back and push up at the same time to pin this back without taking the volume out. Same thing on this side. And then as I'm holding the pin, I'm running my fingers through the hair down here so that it all lays together. And messy is okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a pin in the center back here. And again, I'm gonna push the hair up so that I keep the volume in there. And then I'm just gonna put a couple other little pins in there just to give it the right shape that I want. So now I'm just gonna take my brush and brush through all of this to soften it up. And now we're gonna do something with these bangs. So I'm actually just gonna use a flat iron for my bangs. I don't like to use a curling iron for my bangs when I'm going for the more 60s look because it makes them too round. So I'm just gonna give them a little straightening and a little bit of a whoop right at the end, just to give the ends a little bit of roundness without giving them that sort of like vintage bubble that we go for with the 50s stuff. And then you can either just leave your bangs straight like this, or you can give them a center part, which is a little bit more like real traditional 60s, which a lot of girls have a hard time wearing, or you can give them a little side sweep. Just depends on what kind of bangs you like. And also, don't forget your lipstick, like I almost just did. So that is it. That is my super easy sort of 60s bouffant with bangs. Super sexy 60s bouffant with bangs. I hope you guys like this. I hope you found it easy. Let me know if there are any other vintage styles you guys want to see. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to check out these other videos that I have posted to see more of my wackiness. And if you want to see even more of my wackiness, be sure to subscribe for all things that are vintage and retro and general silliness.